concentrate. And yeah, sorry for it's not in their right, or it's not even in their office to come and tell us whether the party committee is decided
or not.
Police never saw cancel.
That's what I'm saying. That
they're tossing you. It is not also in their mouth to come and tell us what has happened to the guy because it's sorry for the letter on their banner. Just to say their
they are not. They are not going to be determined. I catch and say suicide or not.
But because they are suicide note to me. And now I'm on for so perform videos perform so they want to save face. And I'm saying it's a useless version of money.
Whether they want to save face or not.
Maybe
suicide no more case a branch and yet I'll commit suicide. The letter that Minister grammar and I meant to say that suicide yeah. Then the police will have to investigate.
Somebody has killed them.
Yeah, don't bet me a boy and feather. Every plan and just
sorry for no instead of doing this. Should have rather reported their knowledge of the event to the police. Assist with investigation.
I will say about 2 days ni ene bobo mama ne say gospel artists bi and say gospel musicians bi edin a oje so ene Adjola Jacob ahwere ne kwaya ya krata ojaye editu ekire ne echese ne nkwa na wahwere no ono akasa ene je nkwa no edi free nsem ebusia emu nkyiremu ene details a efa owo no ho aba eno na mede eba besomo ansa na no me kai wo se aha ayetu maji subscribe my page we say wonya ya fe niadoma no so se na be ya upload bia onsa ebetimi aka ebiem so me kai wo se dwumadi a mede brewe Castoplanto technology na asomas ne amamde dwumadi ebro obebisa se Castoplanto technology ne kra den a na me kai wo se Dr. Abednego Invisible and Spiritual Hospital a wakwakofa ba ewo nsawom oreku afebusia ye monra ensem no mu a Jacob Adjola gospel musician na oto ne nwom de tuntum nyame an kwase no sese ne nwom esofo mu a otimu se ahomka ewo mu yie pa obo ne homoden a oda oye lead singer ewo band no ano na ne wo no emeto emonten so na ekoye abrehosem de ma na busua na asori ene empoga na nyina na yedi hu abobo a na abusua asafo no de krata bi aba bonten a womo kire se owo ne bae no womo so omate na omote ya no mote ne sen enu ti krata ne musem ene abusua me ba bekenkan de amawi or say, press release Baraka Outreach. It is with deep sadness and heavy heart that we inform the general public of the sudden demise of our brother and friend Jacob Adjola. I say, Safui and Chimo Modeba, and I say Baraka Outreach and Chimo Modeba, no more say a yomo yapa, say Umbekam a month for the aso at say, so Modofu, Munia Bear Momini Dijuma, washing and quite ya. Or say, we extend our heartfelt prayers to the family and all who are dreadfully affected by this incident. Like I say, omo the teachers some ko e de amabusua enamfo eni empu obia e kwan ba ko bi so no owei akwakwa ha no sa kro nyina wotimu nyina mo yaw no ase a asafo e kire say woni mu nyina na esu o say even though our world is dark right now, we hope to see some light in the memories we share with Jacob Adjola. Omo di tum say sa bredi esum pa na aduro mu a omuto mani hwe bia enyiyi nanso womu nim se enkaya omuwo ewo munua be ma no no eno ebeye kanya kakra de ama omu wie na fe omu ba be wie no omu kire se this community seeks debunk the circulation on social media about the alleged cause of the demise of Jacob Adjola. The suicide allegation is a fallacy. Hence, we ask the general public to disregard such news and pray with the family in these tough times. Our deepest condolences. And I feel one more sign. Almost say I am somebody by and almost so. Almost TV, social media, and so say a suicide, and a brand say, or no cassa send one as or no cassa genuine difference. As a free air, just said to answer me a young name a brave way, your braid, this uncommon, is a brave way, your bra. And was a busia there at a woman, you know, a yabesha see a new woman, but so my young nasi, not in same be say a can, a busian say a bequa brew mucruno, yen she. Set ye bayi ye ni and I say be yason, everyone yen did sa in same be says nebusia as a free edu omo press release eba abonten no eno anso a ebusia no so ede omo so omo de eba abonten a omo se omo eno mo de hye ato enu nto muso say na asem no omoje your statement by the Adjola family on the passing of Jacob Yaw Mawuko Adjola. That is say we nso eye abusua ni nyina e no omo nso e de omo de e ba bonti o say the sudden passing of our own Jacob Yaw Mawuko Adjola has left the Adjola family in great pain. No kwasem ne say omo se omo de hye ya watoi ama abusua no akwo yaw kase mu pa womu nyindi da sasa wo we de omo re ebetimi afi. But in this terrible period, we have already experienced a great deal of love and concern, for which we are thankful. I say, sa ahohiahia bre mo wakumi, omunya odo, omunya nkranhye sem a omo kire se omoni eso yie pa, omo da obusone nyina ase. Also, the police is currently investigating the matter, both the alleged letter and the accident, and we plead with you all to allow the investigation to take its due course. Na chese nebusan person mo training na se Ghana police for ensa asosa asemimu owo ni ba bonten letter bi ba bonten a letter no kire se eno ene ne Jacob Yaw Adjola troye e de ja ho nanso o se police for no ensa kansa letter na wo mu hwehwe makwa kosiase ahwesoso eyaba se ono a netro sa akrata no ana se den enetenti wo sere manfo no se wo mu ama police hwehwemu na ekoso no ebetimi akwa krojin ama nukre bia ewo asem no mabusia ne sa police for no ebetimi ede ababetu dwa. We would prefer more prayers during this time of our loss rather than the dissemination of any sensitive information that would make things more difficult for us. Not just sa ebremu de abusia ne stress ne ombehia ede fi omanfo no ho eye empaibo nkwanhwesem awerechechesem a yebeka de akire busia no na emom se ye baba nsem no ho na ye kyerkyere nsem no ne ye ka ensem wa ensem fatafa ho ne de eno ebebre busia no ye ekro no ye pa enu ntebusia no stress sa brewe mu no nye bra ye twe ensem no sere na basa na mom sa brewe ye obibi ka ye ma ye ensem nyina enye empaibo ene nkwanhwesem a ye de ebema abusia na fa abusia mi wie no say we request that you respect our privacy while we process this tragic experience. Regards, Susan Adjola, sister. Na just say yenwa bema ya wafimi ni nwa ba na etro class ya nsa ehwase e no se ne wo sre fi abusia no hana se ne wo sre e de free omanfo no se obosre mo se amanfo no emmom enso enya omasum ye kakra mo hye omokokom kakra sa bre ya ade ya se ache wo mani no omo enso enhye omokokom kakra na afi omo enfa ndwendwen ho na abusia sa krata mienu eba abonten e na wo Nit FM so no Ola Michaels ene na pamfo nso tena ase esi nkonwa ewa asemi hu no se wo kire se asafo no wo mo predodo sa brante ne frim na select bi ababonten na select no kire se ogene nkwa de firi nsem a enye asafo no asede se wo mo ne be kire let ne ababonten be kire se krata na ababonten no eye nokre anase enye nokre nti let na asafo no kire no emfaso bia amaso
kwakubi ni to go kada to me read we ha ukọhwe sapo na ne o se ye dia sen ho obo mu ko obi a obi ni bia nsi ade ne ne sa Frank Mensa pozu ono na da wakani several occasions says Tommy Road Wankuru so yes, it was a murder, wasn't he? They say suicide. So what was the coroner report? Because BC why you konongo police ni ebi a okwasra na yanko and the girlfriend teacher ni and I say teacher ni no crew abrochi or this camera so new project and on the abo police ni no bosia and the police na die scam and on ni giscam what giscam ni crew no so bad ba and the kwada na kwa ase akasa o demo police ni ko wie ade tie ba ya ade na wuda ho hwesta wa shoe rack ade ni hata shoe ya di shoe sisi enu bi na ya di support asel so na ya di akekere ga no kon ana wuda na bukotobi. How can this be possible? So how do we determine say get national one conflict?
Okay, so back to this guy.
The suicide you know I can was it could be.
The problem here is that one, and yeah, sorry for no be catch some committee suicide or not.
Letter no na editor
and yeah letter no follow concentrate. And yeah, sorry for is not in their right or it's not even in their office.
Yeah.
To come and tell us whether the party committee is suicide
or not.
Police never saw cancer.
That's what I'm saying. That
they're tossing you. It is not also in their mouth to come and tell us what has happened to the guy because It's a sorry for the letter on the Abana business. Useless letter.
Yeah, medical cassette.
Just to save their face.
They are not. They are not the better determine. I catch and say,
suicide
or not.
But because Omudia bas suicide note to him. And now I'm on for so perform videos are perform. So they want to save face. And I'm saying it's a useless version of mine.
Whether they want to save face or not. Maybe suicide no more cassette, a branch, and yet I'll commit suicide. The letter that Minister Grandma and I meant to say that suicide. The police will have to investigate.
Somebody has killed them.
Yeah, I'll bet me a boy a feather. Every planet,
so, sorry for no, instead of doing this, should have rather reported the knowledge of the event to the police.
Yeah.
Assist with the investigation.
Yeah.
But the whole can also say, because I know PSC 16-year-old boy, so I committed suicide. The whole thing is that the opportunity will be there and watch it in the call. If we are meeting France and now do you understand they are much in the course of the betting for the better?
Yeah.
So I wonder, say,
now recently, the critique story, that story becomes a baby. We are staff story. And I in a report here, and assume
the story.
I want that for almost to spar Champions League. And also, I'm more boss bar of him said, I am at your manuko. So I'm about 12 here. Boy, in 50 or more dirty, veranda or a light or no boys in the best 7. Oh, would you have brought one shot? Obia, then you are excited the team and winning. All can be behind him. And also about Radem or from Aquadan. I didn't hear your buyer. Was some walk for dignity. What they are humanity Ojinaho. Emma, Nempop wash. No, that. Nempop what and pop wash shall no quantity the big piantity as you saw a son of alcohol. Nay, a publisher says suicide. How do you tell me says suicide? No, there should be a coroner report. Coroner the bet like I said. What is this?
But like we do, we always jump to conclusion.
Yeah.
And it also helps some more moody Sam Yamran.
Yeah, no, I found a word you know.
So Kunipan, what they are Marco Chichim.
Yeah.
It was always a no more Jano tattoo.
Yeah.
18 and say, why didn't they tell us whether someone in Sammy and Nasa and Yanis?
Omuka said in Sanupe, then it means that he died from suicide.
Because it's not in their mouth to tell us whether.
But the moment they admit that is the boy's handwriting, that means that they can't bring the
what trust our lieutenant cannot or key attempt. He made an attempt to kill himself. There's somebody can capitalize on the listen. Investigation is very important. Yes. No, I could
say almost autonomous to call my car. That's what I'm hearing. Say autonomous speeding car and autonomous who she a car and a car board. What if will be the pushing how because what you can't I show intention of what did you commit suicide. What is your being a pushing? You will not.
I don't know.
We don't know. So the point is, I think the Zigakano is more of education. Like, let's be slow in jumping into conclusions. Say, will be at committee suicide. They say, Wakuno, who's that? I did some police one not to indict them, but it makes them lazy. And that's your committee. That's true, yeah.
And so we so and someone Ola Michael and a palm for so it's nice and old bobo hono or moka edify a bray a woo. Nino, a wire bray a woo, a ye pa, ye crash some and your some Emma Busiana catch a Busiana say, and more didn't say no. One more and shedding na unyame and come home. Now, friends, you a police for no quine. Now, omonia if she mu enkunkusiasi, enhu baby, we free a buyer. Yanam Sakwa used to be near catcher in your beman to say unyame on funny cry in see. Happy my own comments and so a video ye as say. But when it's an when you subscribe button so a too much. Now the Adomano Akamosano upload the baby. On the first person on sa everything I can make, I will say Castle Planto Technology and a Somasine, and Mammy Dijumedi Ebro, Castle Planto Technology, Dr. Abednego Spiritual and Invisible Hospital, where or they are in some Urekwa, or the Abawisi was or the Junior member, so all the social media handles and so a too much also a yakai so be like it. Now I share a damame.
Prophet Dr. Abednego has once again demonstrated the power of God following divine guidance. He established the world first spiritual hospital, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory. Now, God has directed him to create the Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital, powered by Castoplanto technology. This unique institution will reveal spiritual realities and help you understand the unseen battles affecting your life. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital is here to uncover and address all spiritual obstacles. Please call us 0208 599 576.